Did I mention it? Did I mention it? Did I mention it?
No. If you mention that guy, that person,
Just take me a
talaga block
chance.
pa sa...
Just give me a chance to mention it.
No.
I'll
Ating
mention him.
private ko yun. Ating private ko yun.
It's okay. I post a video na i-mention ko kayong dalawa.
Lah! Si Bubis, oo! Paano mo i-mention?
Kunwari, gagawa ko ng eksena.
Tapos?
Tapos i-mention ko yung name nyo, dalawa.
Then? Ano gagawin namin dun?
And tapos, then, kayo magsisimula mag-comment dalawa.
Bubis. Anak, wag na. Anak, wag na.